guys, I'm back again with another useful tips, which is look slim in saree. Before I start sharing, don't forget to subscribe so you can get all my tips right after I share. Let's get started. All you need is of course a saree and 3 to 4 safety pins. The very first step is make sure to iron your pallu. Like last time I don't really do that, but once I start ironing I just feel so much of difference. So yeah, just make sure like other parts of your sari you iron your pallu very well with like you can spray some water and iron it. And once I iron, I realized making smaller pallu is easier compared to like I don't really give so much of importance to the pallu when like I'm like you just gonna pleat it, so why do you need to focus so much on it? And I'm not using any specific iron for pallu. I just use the normal iron we used to iron. First step of making pallu is make sure the side that you're gonna put it on top of yourself facing you here, and this is the end which will be out like this. This outer part must be out here and the inner part must be here. Okay, then you can make your small pallu just with the guide of this line, this border here. So it's just so easy. Just make a smaller pallu since the guide and this part must be facing the inner cloth of your saree. It's not this part. Like you can't make it like this. You can't have it like this. You must make it like this. So this part will be going in here and this part will be out. Your pleats, you have to secure this with a safety pin. Secure this part with a safety pin. You just have to iron this part for it to stay still. Then you can see how clean and neat your pallu will be when you put it on like this. Now the biggest question will be, when I have a saree with a border, I can make my pallu easily, but what if I don't have a saree with a border? It's easy. Making pallu for saree without border is also easy. So this is my saree. It's without border and all I need is my safety pin. And how do I do it is, as usual, this part must be facing inside where you put it on here, and this part will be the outer part. You need your ring finger and your pinky and place it like this. I'll take my distance from my pinky and my ring finger and hold it like this and fold it like this. Usually I like to do all this and keep it a day before I dye my saree to make my life easier a bit. Yeah. So you just can start making your pleats like this, and then we're almost done. And this part will be where threads, where you have to put it in like this, and this is the outer part. Once done, as usual, secure this with a safety pin and you can start ironing them. These are the pallus which I made with border, and this one without border, and I ironed it, and this is how it looks like. Small borders, like you can even make it more smaller if you want to. This is how it looks like. Then this is how easy it is. So I hope you find it useful, and if you find it useful, comment below and tell me what else would you like to see or hear from me, and I'll try to talk about it as soon as possible. See you soon, guys!